Are you planning a trip to Japan and considering using a regional pass to explore the country? Do you know that the regional pass and Japan Rail Pass is different? And the method on reserving seat ticket from the ticket machine is also different. So, let's dive in and discover how to reserve your seat ticket with your regional pass with ease. Step 1. Locate the ticket machine. Let's clear up some confusion about ticket reservations. While the ticket machines for reserving seat tickets are the same for both the Japan Rail Pass and Regional Pass, it's important to understand the differences between these two passes. Many travelers tend to mix them up when searching for information. In most cases, people refer to both the Japan Rail Pass and Regional Pass simply as rail passes without realizing they are different. Step 2. Select your language. Most ticket machines offer an English language option, which can be accessed by locating and pressing the English button. Step 3. Select the type of ticket. Select the Reserved Seat button. Step 4. Select ticket type. Select the reserved seat with discounted ticket. Your regional pass is your discounted ticket. Another way is by selecting the Discounted Tickets button for Step 3. Then select Reserved Seat with Discounted Ticket button for Step 4. Step 5 is the same for both methods. Step 5. Insert the Regional Pass ticket. Insert your Regional Pass ticket into the machine, one at a time if you have 4 tickets. You can only insert up to 4 tickets in one reservation. Once done, select the All Tickets Inserted button. Step 6. Select your departure station. To specify your departure station, select the Enter button on the screen. Enter the name of your current station or your intended departure station if you wish to reserve your ticket in advance. As you begin typing the station name, the machine will provide a list of suggested stations to choose from. From this list, you can select your preferred station. Step 7. Select your arrival station. To specify your arrival station, select the Enter button on the screen. Enter the name of your preferred arrival station. Step 8. Change the date if reserving tickets in advance. Select the Change button and then choose your preferred date from the available options. Step 9. Change the time. Select the Change button and enter your preferred time for either your departure or arrival station. Step 10. Search the train. After you have entered all the necessary information for your preferred train, select the Search button on the screen. The machine will then search for trains that closely match your requirements. Step 11. Select your preferred train. Review the options provided and choose your preferred one. Then review your selection and select the Confirm button. Step 12. Select your train car type. Most regional pass only allow you to reserve ordinary car type. If you like to reserve the green car type, please approach the ticket counter instead. Select the car type under the Ordinary Car Type column. Step 13. Seat Selection Method. At this point, you will have the option to either select your seat from the seat map or let the machine assign one for you. Personally, I prefer to choose my own seat, so I select the Select from Seat Map button. Step 14. Select the car location. Select your preferred car location. Those green circular icons indicate the availability of the seats in each car location. Step 15. Select your seat location. Choose your desired seat location from the seat map. Once you have made your selection, select the Confirm button. Step 16. Review your train's selections. Verify that all the information you have entered is accurate, then confirm your reservation by selecting the Confirm button. Step 17. Collect your reserved tickets. The ticket machine will generate all the necessary tickets, including your seat numbers and other relevant information. Remember, the machine will return your regional pass tickets and print your new seat reservation tickets together. What about the Japan Rail Pass? How to reserve the ticket? You can refer to this video. Just be sure to allocate enough time before your departure to complete the seat reservation process and collect your ticket. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please click and subscribe and comment below.